How to change only lock screen wallpaper on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. On this page, you can choose to add a new wallpaper, customize existing ones, or select from preset options. You can also access the wallpaper gallery by touching and holding the lock screen. Now, swipe left to view all the suggested wallpapers over here. Then, tap on Customize over the lock screen that you like. You can now customize the lock screen wallpaper from here. Tap on the Photos icon at the bottom left. You can choose photos from your camera roll over here. Select any photo from here. If you want to set this photo as your lock screen wallpaper, then tap on Done at the top right corner. You can now customize the home screen wallpaper in the same way as well. Following these steps, you can easily change only lock screen wallpaper on iPhone.